Sick of finding eggs scattered or dirty in your suburban chook run? A simple nest box fixes that by giving hens a safe, private spot to lay and keeps your eggs much cleaner. Start with a wooden crate or sturdy plastic tub about 30 centimeters wide, 30 centimeters deep, and 35 centimeters high. Just enough for one hen to fit comfortably. Drill a few holes in the base for airflow and drainage to prevent moisture buildup. Attach a 10 centimeter lip at the front using a scrap timber piece to stop bedding and eggs rolling out. Line the box with a thin layer of straw or wood shavings for comfort and insulation. Place the box in a quiet, sheltered corner of your coop, ideally raised off the ground to deter rodents and pests. Ensure it's stable and shaded from harsh afternoon sun to keep hens comfortable. Avoid overfilling with bedding, as hens tend to kick excess out. A common mistake is positioning the box in an exposed area or choosing the wrong size. Hens prefer privacy and a snug fit. Once set up, your hens should start using the box within days. The result? Cleaner eggs, happier chooks, and easier daily collection. Building a simple nest box is a practical upgrade for any suburban backyard flock.